This is your 7-minute mobility routine. Now this you can do daily. It's going to really help to mobilize through all your joints. All the exercises are standing. It's also going to help with your stability, your flexibility and posture. So if you're ready, let's get started. So just follow along, stand with your feet hip width distance apart, tummy pulled in, and we're just going to start with doing 3 of these arm swings. So go 2 and 1. Now open the arms out for 3. We're going to just repeat that sequence. So 3 of these full arm swings, then 3 where you open your arms out. So just keep repeating. We're doing this for about 1 minute, but just enjoy the move. And the point of this is what we're doing today. By doing these moves, we're going to really help to work through all your joints. So today we're working through your shoulder joints. We're going to do your knees, hips, ankles, and this is really important to help keep them healthy. All right, that's good. So just give me those swings through. And just check for me, knees are slightly bent. You can focus also now on just keeping those core tummy muscles pulled in really tight. So we're working through your abs because they're helping stabilize you as you take those arms through that full swing. And all right, so for your next move, this time now, give me 3 of these waist rotations, then 3 reach down from side to side, then straight back, 3 waist rotations, and then 3 side to side. Again, we're doing this for about 1 minute, and just enjoy that move. Reach down and come back up. That's good. And also what's really important with this really helps increase what we call your synovial fluid, and that's what really helps to lubricate and look after your joints when we're exercising. So just give me that waist rotation, keep those hips still, and then reach from side down to side. So imagine we're just pushing that post down and doing that rotation. That's good, just keeping that going. And well done. So for your next move, this time, we're just going to imagine we're kicking a ball. So just join in when you're ready. So we just step that foot across and just give me that kick. And the other thing that's really important when we exercise, when we're doing specifically these exercises, we're also helping to keep your cartilage really healthy. So cartilage is that smooth padding at the ends of your bones inside your joints. It doesn't have its own supply, so it gets nutrients when you move. So that's what you're doing now. And this is where I always say as your online trainer, it's never about how we look, it's about how we feel. What's happening to our body inside. So let's just keep kicking that ball, doing really well. And this is mobility exercise number 3. Again, each move you've got 7 mobility exercises, and each one we're doing approximately for 1 minute. And just kick that ball, have fun with it. You're also increasing your flexibility here as well. So for the next move, this time now, just draw me a circle with 1 foot. And then change to the other leg. If you struggle a little bit with balance, do place a hand on a wall or use a chair. And now we're just really mobilizing through that hip joint. And also what this is doing, it's helping strengthen the muscles and ligaments around your joints, because the stronger your muscles are, the more they support your joints and help take the pressure off your joints as well. And this obviously helps prevent with injury, wear and tear. All right, that's good. So it's that nice full circle for me. And this lovely mobility workout. You can do this daily to look after and condition your body. You can do it in your pajamas. You can do it in the evening, morning, whenever. It's all about just keeping your body moving. That's really good. So nice control. Make that move as big as you can on there. So for your next move, what I want you to do is we're going to do a shoulder circle, then reach down, shoulder circle and reach down. So shoulder circle and a reach down. So lovely upper body and then reach down. So imagine you're just touching that hot spot on the floor and reaching. Just go from side to side. It's really good. And think of it like this as well. This helps prevent stiffness. If you don't move much, your joints can get stiff and then they lose their range of motion. Whereas doing these daily exercises, this helps keep them flexible and easier to use. So we reach that over, shoulder circle, and then down from side to side. That's good, nice control. And again, this one here is lovely for the lower body, nice little workout for your thighs as well. Okay, just walk those feet in, and for the next move, this time now, just give me a slight little bend through the knees and long arm swing. So this is mobility exercise 6. This one here, make that move really big and full. So here we're working your ankle, your knee, your hip, and even through the shoulder joint. And the benefits, this also helps with less joint pain as well. And mobility, it's all about you taking control of your health, your joints, your body, and it helps with better movement throughout the day. So that's good. So we've nearly finished today. Just keep doing that little bend through the knees, big, powerful, really exaggerated march here. So straight arm, take that foot behind. And this is also really great. You're activating through the glute, through that posterior chain, working through the hamstrings. And then for your last exercise, this time arms, palms up, and just open and close, and tap that foot behind. If you can, just go around in a little bit of a semicircle. And the great thing is with this workout you've done today, it just gives you greater ability to do daily exercises and activities, just feeling easier. And we're also helping to lower the risk of things like arthritis problems, joint problems. And it's all about making your body stronger, and it's about maintenance as well. And here as your qualified online trainer with over 1,000 free workouts, I'm all about you and I investing in your future health. This is what exercise is all about. All right, that's good. Nearly done. So we just open those arms wide, tap that foot behind. So we're just getting that lovely stretch as well. Keeping that range of motion through all your joints. So now just give me some big circles on there, and you should be feeling fabulous. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done in these 7 minutes is invest in your future health. And I'll see you later back on my YouTube channel.